wanna draw me like those girls in your book, wearing this, wearing only this.
I'm done.
Thank you. Oh, Jack, I'm flying. Oh, Jack, hold me.
You're so fat.
Oh, hold me, Jack.
Oh my god, Rose, we gotta get out of here. The boat is sinking.
No, I don't think so.
What do you mean? Look, there's water everywhere.
But Jack, that's just me.
What are you talking about? Promise me that you'll comb your hair every morning.
I promise.
Promise me that you'll brush your teeth more often.
Okay.
And last, promise me that you'll never let go.
I promise I won't let go,